This video explains how to empty the whole punch waste container in the office finisher of Xerox AltaLink B and C8200 Series Multifunction printers. A message appears on the control panel when the whole punch waste container is full. Do not perform this procedure when the printer is copying or printing. Open the transport cover. Pull out the whole punch waste container. Empty the container. Insert the container back into the finisher. Close the finisher transport cover. For more information on emptying the whole punch waste container in other finishers, refer to the AltaLink B and C8200 Series Multifunction Printer user guides.